Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel again. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or share. Oh my god, just back again to show you how filled up the stream is. It's even worse than last time when I showed you. Yeah, just look at this. This time I think it's even worse. Look at that. I can't even dare reach near. It's way too much. It's way too much. It's like it's full up, like maybe flowing in our farm. I think it's taken part of 5 to 6 meters of the farm. Yeah, it's just too full up. It's just way too full up. Oh, this is too much. I hope no people who built like houses like close by to this side, because all the houses are gonna, oh god, all the houses will collapse. You know, this is way too much. The water is too much. I pity the people that are just along the stream. Yeah, let's take it. Let's see if I can go up. We had so much rain today. It's rained so much. And you see the rooftop is so wet. Let me see if I can go up and see. Oh wow, this is too much, guys. This is too much. I still have the bad cold. Yeah, you can see, guys. You can see over there how filled up it is. It's so filled up on that side. That's water. The stream is, oh my god. And I didn't notice that that house is flooded as well. Look at that. Look at that house. This house, it's flooded in water. I don't know how these people are gonna survive. I think you can hear in the background the sound of the water. This is too much, way too much. All the gardens on this side have been flooded. It's like too flooded, whereby it's even about to reach the field. You can see we got the maize there. So, this flooding is too much. On the bridge, look at that, on top of these houses. On top of these houses. There. That's water. This pillar is in water. It's in water. I just pity the people that are along this side, because some of the houses are just along the stream. That house is being flooded. I don't know if there are people inside or not. My advice to them, they would have just come out of there for now, to just wait for all the water to just pass. Whoa. I wish I could zoom to that other side, guys, because on that side it's just flooded with so much water. Yeah. So buying land near the stream is not a good thing. Yeah, I would just say it's not a good thing at all. So much. That is water. I feel so cold right now, but it's still raining. This water is too much. It's just too much. This is what we call the flooding, because in the previous video Yeah, it was. The stream was flooded, but not to this point. Yeah, not to this point. Oh no. And it looks like it's still raining, guys. It's still raining. You can see on the mountains, those mountains covered in rains. Just on top, guys. Yeah, because trying to see how. Oh god, it is really, really a rainy day. It's really, really a rainy day. Oh no, it's so covered. So much rain. Covered. So much rain. So much water, not rain. Because the water here, it's even bubbling. Yeah, ah. I just hope that water is not like overflooding the bridge. Otherwise, it'd be so terrible if it's passing over the bridge. Yeah. This is just way too much. So this is how it is here in Zambia, Lusaka. This is what the rains can do, and I think for us it's better because it's kind of it's not on the flat land. Yeah, we're not on the flat land. That's the goodness of us here. So it's way better. We are on the higher land, which serves us for. It serves us so much for the flooding. The floods serves us so much. So yeah, this is rain season, guys. This is what rain season can do. I really feel sorry for those who are on the boundary of the stream because it's so much. It's just that they've got a code, a void code. If I didn't have the code of the bridge, guys. Hello guys. Yeah, so we're gonna check up on the field. Yeah. Like I showed you the other day, it was raining heavily. Yeah, we had so much rain that I've been, the past few days it's been raining like continuously. Yeah, so I've not had time to check on the field. So I wanna check on the field to see if some of our crops are not affected. Yeah, you can see how green the farms look. It's been raining for some time now. Been raining so much, so let's get together, let's work together, guys.
as I go and check on the field. Today it's a hot day. Which looks like a good day to walk around. Yeah. Otherwise, it really is showing like it's gonna rain again. Looks like it's gonna rain. And our weather forecast, they don't even update us. Like to say it's gonna rain such a day. Maybe they're just gonna say, oh, it's gonna rain, then it doesn't rain. It's like the opposite. Yeah. So right now I want us to check on the beans first. See how good the beans look, guys. Soon we're gonna start eating the beans. Look, just look at this. And it's the whole field, the whole portion of beans, not the whole field. The whole portion is like this. The beans is grown. I think 2 weeks from now we're gonna start cooking some of the beans, and the fresh beans is so nice. Look at this. The whole portion of beans. Just look at this. The beans will be ready soon. We're gonna start cooking. Looks so healthy and green. Yeah. We're gonna have a lot of beans because it's from here up to that far end, that side. Yeah. So let's walk together, guys, as we check on the field. Remember on the previous video I had promised to say I'm gonna come and check on the sunflower when it's about to, you know, not when it's about, when it blooms, when it has the flowers. I remember promising that. Look how good the beans look like, honestly, the sunflower. It's the whole field. The whole field of beans, that's how it is. I can't go in between there. I don't want to find those itchy things, start itching my skin. So I'm gonna go around that side. Sorry, I still got a cold. Yeah, but I'm much better now. Like I'm saying, I'm gonna go around that side so that we may check up on the maize. Wow, the maize looks good. It really looks good. Soon we're gonna start eating maize. We're gonna start eating beans. The groundnuts will be ready. The sunflower soon, and the soya beans. The sweet potatoes. Just so good. Yeah, just look at the sweet potatoes. They've really caught so much. Sweet potato leaves. The line starts from that end where we started from. Yeah. From that side. So just the line of sweet potatoes. Oh, this side, the sweet potatoes. Oh, here it's a field of beans. So, oh God, what am I gonna do? Let me just pass through here. Let me just try to find my sack. The maize. I hope I don't end up stepping on the beans otherwise. I'll die. Yeah. What time to do? Oh wow. The maize. Wow. Being long. Being long. This is a can to check on the food. Never knew I had so much maize has grown. Oh wow. Wow. Just wow, look at this. It's a very, very big cob. Wow. Look at this. So big. Wow, wow, wow. It's time to eat maize. I love maize, especially the roasted one. The boiled, I don't love it that much. Yeah. I may eat 2, but the roasted ones, I eat 3 or 4 roasted maize. And again, look at this. These look to be ready. Look at this. Wow. The maize looks so good. It's looking so good. You can see, guys, almost the whole field is got maize. Got cobs of maize. The whole field. This is so exciting. So exciting. So exciting. As a farmer, knowing that at least we're gonna, not at least, as a farmer knowing that we're gonna achieve, yeah, we have achieved something for part of our farming. It's really good because we know now we've got cobs of maize, we've got beans. Let's check on the groundnuts. This is so good, yeah? I'm so happy. So happy to see big cobs of maize. Oh wow. Because this is white maize, there's also yellow maize on that side. And it's clear enough, I can go and check how it looks as well. Otherwise, for the maize, we'll be safe. Really safe. Very safe. Just look how big this cob is. Imagine you have the whole field of so many big cobs as this one. Oh god. This is really good. Farming. I'm really happy to see a field of maize doing so good. So happy. We now come to the groundnuts. Look at this. Look at this. You can see flowers like this. You just know that the groundnuts will be ready. The groundnuts take 3 to 4 months. So by what month is this? This is March. 3rd of March today. Huh? Not 3rd of March. 2nd of March today. So 2nd of March. So by May, the groundnuts will be ready. Just look at this. Looks good. It's got the flowers there. Wow. Looks so good. Yeah. Looks so good. This is the field of the groundnuts. You can see them in like wow. Just know that they're doing so good. And the main reason is that they had to the first weeding, they did the first weeding, then the second weeding, the third one they were like molding, yeah? Putting more soil. Yeah? Putting more soil for the groundnuts to you know, to put a lot on the ground. It needs more soil for it to do good. Otherwise, without soil, without molding it with soil, the groundnuts don't grow properly. Yeah? They need a lot of soil. You need to mold a lot of soil on the groundnuts for them to do good. Wow, this is so exciting to see this production. It's really good to see the field like this. So excited. I'm so very happy, and the exciting thing about it is that at least we are far from the stream. Yeah, because the stream is in between somewhere there. Yeah, and at least we managed to do the field away from the stream, which is very good. Otherwise, if we really started doing planting things from the stream, which means a lot, we would have lost a lot of maize, granules, whatever. Yeah, because the stream takes up everything. Because those people that have got this maize somewhere over there, yeah, the maize that are planted along the stream, the time it was flooded, it took all the maize and all the pumpkin leaves. Yeah, that's what the stream does when it's filled up, because it comes with so much force. The water comes with so much force that it takes up whatever it finds. Yeah, so that's the best part, that we have done we started our field at least far away from the stream. Yeah, I really love how the groundnuts are looking so good. Looking so good. Today is really a good day to walk around because it's kind of sunny. Yeah, and the clouds are clear. Sorry for that. I keep on clearing my throat because it's kind of itchy, and I left bottle, but I need to drink some water. I need to feel for this itchiness to stop. Yeah, so oh wow, the view just looks good. It really looks good. Okay, where are we heading to now? Let's check on the soya beans first before we go to the sunflower. I wish I came with someone so that we could just go by the stream and check and see how the stream is right now. Yeah, and see what. Oh God, let's see. Yeah, I'm sure next time I'll show you how the stream is. Or not. Otherwise, now let's check up on the soybeans. We've got so much beans this year. Let's check up on the soybeans. I love this production, it's so good. The groundnuts are coming up so well. I should just say everything is coming up so well. Yeah, I'm happy. The soybeans looks okay. As usual, I'm scared to get to the soybeans. I don't want to find those itchy things that can irritate my skin. No. So, I'll brush on the field of the soybeans. This is the soybeans. Soybeans is the most itchiest crop that I know. You can see how it is hairy, like it's got something like it's hairy. Yeah? These things itch. I do not even want to find myself in between of this, otherwise I'm gonna be scratching look at this. Oh, this is soybeans. I hope I won't touch my skin. I need to wash my hands, otherwise itching will be upon me. So guys, this is how good the soybeans are scored this year. All this that you see is soybeans, yeah? All this you see is soybeans. All this is field of soybeans. Just look how good it looks. It looks so good. It looks so good. Let's head now to the sunflower. Remember guys, when I said I'm gonna come, the next time I come to check on the field, I want to find the field is looking all yellow. But not yet, yeah, because some of the sunflowers still growing and not all of them have flowers, yeah, not yet. Otherwise, if it's the whole field, believe me, it's, you just see yellow flowers on it, yeah. Otherwise, for now, it's not all the sunflower that's got its flowers. Yep, it's gonna be fine walking through the field of the sunflower. Hope I won't find anything. It's gonna irritate my skin. Look how good it looks. Hello, sunflower. Looks so good. This one is small. I want to find something big. Really looks good. Wow. Love the texture of the flowers. It's so soft. It's smooth. So good. You can see the bees. This is what the bees like, yeah? Attractive colors, bright colors. Yeah. Hello, Uncle Bee or Auntie Bee. Just look how good it looks. Sunflower. Really looks good. Sunflower. Yeah. The sunflower's really growing so much. Sunflower's really much. You can see in the background. Oh god, the sun. I wish I brought he left the sunglasses. So important. My eyes are becoming white teary. Yeah. Okay. So this is how good the sunflowers caught in the field. I can imagine the oil that we're gonna have. We're gonna extract oil from the sunflower seeds, and the residue, whatever remains, is something that we use to mix with the chicken feed. And the chickens really gain so much, believe me, when you use the sunflower mesh. We call it mesh. Those things that remain from the sunflower, when you extract oil, whatever remains, you crush it and you mix with the chicken feed. The chickens really gain so much. Let me just zoom in and let's see how good the sunflower looks. Oh wow, this is so pleasing, yeah. You can even see there's a bird somewhere there sitting on top of the sunflower, because it's like trying to check when will the sunflower be ready, because the birds really eat the sunflower so much. If you take time to come and harvest the sunflower, you will find nothing, yeah, because it's really good food for the birds. So this is how good the field looks like, guys. It's It's really just so exciting to know that whatever you've planted, you even know that's gonna be a good harvest. I'm so happy. I'm really so happy. Even that other side of the hill, this side, there's more sunflower. Let's see if I can try and walk over that side. Oh wow, I already started scratching because of the grass. Love how clean the groundnuts field is. They really worked on it, the guys. Really worked on it. So, oh wow, what's that bird? It looks big. It freaked me out. Almost threw my phone away. Anyway, she was looking for food. Yep. So yeah, here now this isn't clear for me to walk through. Yeah, but you can see that other side, it's the sunflower. Yeah. Let me just zoom in from here ahead of the sounds that I'm hearing right now. Yeah, you can see all that is sunflower from this side of the hill up to that side, that far. There. All that is sunflower. Yeah. And this is the yellow maize. Yeah, the yellow maize looks like it's really not cooked up very well, but yeah, at least we have something better than nothing. Better than nothing. The yellow maize looks like it's good. It's still a bit far to be ready. Still needs some time. So I'm just gonna get this maize because there's nowhere it's growing. Yeah, the stem is falling out of the soil, as you can see. So which means if I leave it here, it's just gonna get destroyed. So I'm just gonna pluck it out. I've got no option but to just pluck it out. Yeah? Because the more I leave it, it's just gonna get destroyed. You can see already how it got into the soil, and I don't know how many days it's been here with this stem. Yeah, but this maize really looks like it's catching up as well. I don't even know why I'm doing this stem. I'm gonna leave it here or whatever. Whatever I decide, I'll come back. It looks so big. It's so big. So here the maize really didn't catch up very good, yeah, only on that side. But here, I don't know what was happening. I really don't know. If the soil was like it's not supporting this maize or what, or maybe it's that time of the month when we had no rains and we were almost experiencing drought, and yeah, I think so. A lot of maize stems are on the ground, yeah. A lot of them are on the ground. We need to come and lift some of them. So the maize, when we came from that side, it comes all the way this side. Up to there, that side. You can see there's a difference from that maize over there to this portion here. Looks like a ground with nothing, only small maize crops. That side, the maize looks healthier and good. Yeah. And this is the other side, the portion of the groundnuts. There's a hill here, so I had to come this side, round this side, to continue the field of the portion of the groundnuts. Yeah, so it's good to be a farmer. I'm gonna roast this maize. Yeah, I'm just gonna roast the maize. I'm still in the portion of groundnuts. It's really hot, yeah. It's really hot. Hot day. It's a very nice day to walk around, because it's not raining. I'm taking a deep breath because I already feel tired. Are you feel tired of walking? What sound is that? Sounds like a bird. Dun, dun. My throat is so dry. I just wanna go home and drink some more. So guys, farming is very good, yeah. It's good, it's important. Farm have more crops. Yeah, these are not the only crops that you can grow, So some people that have been growing more crops than we have, yeah. Some people that have grown more than this. And it's really a good thing, because I don't think there'll be people complaining this year saying, no, we didn't have rains. God has blessed us so. He's blessed us with rains. And it's been raining so much. Yeah. I think the only people that are complaining and the people that I feel bad for, in some areas, yeah, they're so flooded that every day on social media just see people complaining because their homes are flooded and the areas are flooded. You can't even go anywhere. You wake up, you find yourself in water, which is so sad. Yeah. Some people have died while trying to cross the streams, while they see the streams is flooded, and they want to cross with their young ones. Then the water just ends up taking all of them, like the whole family. So it's really sad. It's really sad because I feel bad that some people have to lose their lives all because of the floods. Yeah? Whilst here, for me, I'm happy. I'm very happy because our crops have grown. It's sad. On the other hand, it's sad. Yeah? I know rains are very good for us farmers, but for the people in the city and other places, it's really sad for them. It's not good for them. I'm sure they're just wishing for this rain to stop, yeah, while some of us are wishing it to continue. But oh boy, it's crazy. Because on the other side, people are just waiting for the rest to stop to finish, and whilst here, we're just saying, rain, continue, because we want our crops to grow. Anyway, only God knows. Yeah, so guys, I'm going back home now from the field. Updated you guys. You've seen how good the field looks. It's just that it's been long ever since I came to check on the field, because it's been raining continuously and I've not had the chance to come and check on the field. So today, on a hot day like this, just came to say, let me have a look at the fields. Yeah. So as you're watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I really appreciate, guys, your love, your support. Your comments keep me going. Yeah. For those who've been asking me about the soursop, for now we only have one big tree. Yeah, and I've not started selling yet. Yeah, because a lot of you that have been contacting me, you've been wanting the soursop powder, and which you want more grams than I can prepare, or the more grams that I cannot even offer. Yeah, so we only have one tree of soursop, but we have plenty of seedlings. Yeah, and some that were planted in the new orchard. Yeah, so anytime soon they're gonna grow. Then I can start selling the leaves. For those who want leaves, for those that want the powder, then I'll be able to to supply. Yeah, as for now, I only have one big tree of salsa and 2 big trees of jackfruit. So it's not like we have many, no. So guys, as you're watching, don't forget to subscribe as well. See, share with your friends and family, comment in the comment section. Let's communicate. Yeah, so I'm going back home. It's hot and I feel tired. Coming back with the maize. Going back home with the maize. How am I gonna pass? Guys, it's been good walking the field, checking the work in the field, checking on what's happening. Oh, busy road as usual with the trucks that are going to different destinations. So guys, this is what I had for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends and families. Yeah, from me now, I'm gonna say is bye bye. Until next time, stay safe. God bless you all.